Okay, right, so next time we do it on fum I-O. Okay, I-O. Alright, tá sé anna éisce. So, siopa. Tá is a gach din a cod é siopa. So, Jane on na litter I-O, Jane shiv on fum O. So, an O. So the O that goes up and down. O. So, siopa. Siopador. Eg siopador. It's ma lum. So, good lo. So, it's right? So, crush, crispy, shook, ag tamant, scior sé, bioror, skirta, brisky. Alright? So, shoppa is obviously a shop. Shoppador is a shopkeeper. Ag shoppador, remember we have our AG. That's our doing word, our ing word. So, ag shoppador is shopping. Okay? Is ma lum puri. So I like pears. So lum, remember, is talking about me. Crus is a belt, okay? Crispy are crisps, alright? Shook, so they have a car here. There's something on the car. So shook, it means ice, alright? Eg tamant, so that's driving. Scior sé, so that means they skidded, okay? He skidded. Bioror, we know what that is. It's a pear. And skirta is a skirt. Brisky is biscuits. Very simple, lads. So, Taisku Katal Dinov Le B. So, Curran Focal Carts and Albert. So, Kui Gleam Gadi on. What's that? A roher. So, Vi Liam Eg Dol Gotapa August. What did he do? So, he's going fast and he skidded, didn't he? So, Vi Kota down air on. So we quoted down Aaron. Who's that? Shopador, right? Canning Liam. So Liam bought, and what did he buy? Canning She Molly freshen. So he bought bags of as well. Okay? He bought bags of as well. Connick sé Jarug August Cannick sé A. So he saw something red and he bought it. So we know the preposition, so him, he, her, whatever it is, me, you, him, whatever it is comes after the verb in Irish. So it's always a verb first, then the preposition. So in English it's the opposite way around, but we know Cannick sé A isn't bought he it. It's he bought it, right? And last thing then, I'm going to get you to read out this, alright lads? So I'm going to get you to read out this story. So quira. Okay, quira, it's like an invitation. See over here? An invitation, a quira. So what would this invitation be for? So what's that? So balloons, tá caca, tá bruntanis. So keen sort quira, what type of quira, what type of invitation? So brehla Liam a veg aun. Okay? So Liam's birthday, it will be. So it will be Liam's birthday. Okay? So in Irish it says brehla Liam a veg aun. In English it means it will be Liam's birthday. Okay? Beg kosher again. Okay? So remember, so he will have a party. Okay, beg kosher again. He will have a party. Okay, so beg means will. Okay, will. Sho quira niamh. So this is Niamh's invitation. Sho quira niamh. So quira, remember, is an invitation. A niamh a chara. Tá mo bhreithleá ag teacht. Beg me ne menina dísh an ina. Beg kosher agum. Lá an Saharan. Áit an rink scatála. Am ag tosú a cuig a chlog. ag creeknú a seacht a chlog. Wa lat chat. Slán go fól Liam. And an RSVP, rive on ina. Okay, so we know quira is an invitation. Ne means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ne means 9. Kosher is a what? What are they doing? They're having a party. Ring scotala, what could that be? So what they have on their feet? So they're at a rink scotala, a skating rink, right? Atá sé cuaig a clog a hosnú agus a seacht a clog a creeknú. So it starts at 5 and finishes at 7. Okay, so we'll go through it now and we'll just translate it, right? Okay, so Bretla Liam a veg ann. So it will be Liam's birthday. Veg kosher again. He will have a party. Seo quira Niamh. Here is Niamh's invitation. And Niamh a cara. So Niamh, my friend. Tá mo bhreathla ag chat. My birthday is coming. Beg me ne melina dish on ina. I will be 9 years old on Friday. Beg kosher agum. I will have a party. So beg is will, right? So the will is in the future. So V is I had, so in the past, and beg is in the future, right? So law on Saturn, so day, Saturday. Oich, so what place? On rink scotala, the skating rink. Aun eg tosu, so time of start, okay? A cuig a clog. Aun eg creeknú, so time it finishes at 7 o'clock. Wa lat chat. Do you want to come? Slán go fól, bye for now, Liam. And it says RSVP, which means reply. Riv on ina. So riv means before, and on ina means Friday. So before Friday. Okay, so he wants him to reply before Friday. Okay, so it's very simple, lads. Not much else to do there. Just read that out on Class Dojo, right?